Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but I finally picked an exhaust. Um, so I was back and forth. I looked at the MA Performance exhaust. I liked how it sounded. Um, I loved the MagnaFlow exhaust. I loved the ETS exhaust. Um, the Remark exhaust sound good. I was perplexed because there was just so many options. And I put the video clip, and some people said certain parts sounded good, and half my family said, this part number one sounded better, and the other half said number two sounded better. And then other people were giving me other uh, information on the comment section, and I just couldn't decide. Um, so I battled back and forth, and I ended up going with an axle back rather than going with the cat back. Realistically, I know that the cat back doesn't. There's not really any restraint back there. Um, there's not really going to be a difference. You might get 5 horsepower. There's no difference. It's all sound. The J pipe's really where all the power's at. So I went with the axle back, and I went with the ETS muffled with the black tips. That's what I ended up doing. I already think that the stock car has a good. It's kind of loud. I don't like when you do this cold start. Once you're driving, it's not too loud. But when I watch it back on video, like I'm reviewing some of my content, I'm like, man, this car is like relatively loud, and I just don't want to spend five, six, $700 and then be like, man, this is I made a mistake. It's way too loud. So I went with the muffled Axomac ETS exhaust. They make a good product, and it should add a nice deep tone, but not be crazy loud. Um, so yeah, I'm excited, and that should be here probably sometime this week. I'll do an install this weekend. We'll get some sound clips. I know there's already some content out there, but I'm excited to get my own. Um, and yeah, we'll get an install video. It should take like 14 seconds because it's just 2 bolts. Alrighty, you guys have a good one. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe.